knee deep in rubber, starts, runs, operates. Everything is just as good as a man could want it to be. Guys, this tractor originated out of Michigan, guys, and has made its way south. You talk about plumb good, and I'm telling you, this one is the one right here, guys. She's got a lot of friends. Just send her to a new home. I ain't having a bomb better than having been 100,000. Ain't having a bomb better than having been $100,000. Ain't having been $100,000 beer better than having been 60, 70. Ain't having been 65. Ain't 65. I'd have been in 5 to get 65 to get better 65. I'd have been 60 beer and 5. Ain't 65. I'd have been better 65 to get 70 and 5. 75 to get 80. It's 85 to get 85 and 5. 85 to get 90 and 5. 95 to get better than 95,000. $95,000 beer better than 95 to 1 5 to bid 90,000 bid 95 and 90,000 bid 5 and 95 to get better than 95,000. I'm with Grant Jackson at $90,000. 95,000. It happened to 95 to get 91 and 91 to get better than 91 2 2 2 91 to get 2 2 2 95 to get 2 3 and 92 to get 3 3 3 92 to get 4 5 and 94 to get 5,000 and 94 to get 95 96,000 and 95 96,000 and 95 to 1 6 and 95 to 1 6 and 95 to 1 6. Jeremy, you want in 95 6 bill and 95 to 1 6 here. 95 to 1 6 bill 95 to 1 6 here and 95 96,000 and 95 95 to get $6,000 95 to 1 $6,000 and 95 bill 96,000. How about 5? We'll let you in the hard way. 95 5 95 5 95 5 and 95 5 to bill 5 to bid 5 to buy 95 to get better than 95 5 95 to 5 to get better than 95 5 95 5 95 to 5 to bid 95 to get better than 95 5 95 5. Sold her 95,000. Sold her 95,000. Buyer number. Additional account and went to the Forestry Service in Arkansas. The wheels and tires that you see sitting beside it were the ones that it had on it the day it drove out of the factory. Guys, this tractor was then sold to a personal friend of Dr. John Gray's in Wisconsin. After that, he put just a couple hundred hours on the tractor, and it's made its way right here to Winchester, Kentucky, where it is what you see it here today. The wheels and tires on it, guys, are just the same as brand new. It's got unreferred custom wheels on it, guys. Everything you see here sells with the tractor. We have got everything that's on the tractor. In addition to that, we have the original front wheels and tires, the original rear back rims, and the original dual wheels back there, guys. All of that goes with the tractor. If you don't want it, we understand, but at this point it does sell with the tractor. Guys, right here, 4960 time, right here, it happened about until they would get it compared. It happened about 150. It happened about $150,000 bear, 200 plus horsepower, guys, and she's the prettiest one I've ever seen. 150,000. It happened about 150 on a bear, but 100. Hour count 3,500. 3638. 3638, boys, she's barely been used. 150,000, 100 grand. It happened to been 100. It happened to been 80,000, 85,000. Money's on. $85,000 bear, but $5 to give her 80,000 bid. 85, 90 to 5, and 95 to give her better than 95 to 5 to bid. 95 to give her better than 95, and 90,000 bid. 95 and 95 to give her better than 90,000 bid. 95 and 95 to give her 95 to give 100, and 95 to give got to be 100,000, and 95 to give $100,000. It happened to be 95 to 100. Now 5 and $105,000 bear, but 105, 105 to bid, 105, 110, and 105 to bid. 105 to give 110, and 105 to get 10 to bid, 105 to get 110, it happened to be 105 to get 10, 110, 20, 110, 15, we'll do it that way, 110, 15, 110 to get 15,000, at 110 to get $115,000 bear, but at 110, 115, at 110 to get 15, 110 to get 15,000, 110, 115,000, boys, you're not going to find one any nicer, it's just that simple, 110, 115,000. 110, $115,000 bear, but at 110 to get 115, at 110, 115, at 110 to get $15,000, 110 to get 115, on a bear, but at 110 to get 15, 15, 110 to get 15, 110, 15, 110, 15. How about 112.5? You want to do that? Come on to me, Alberta. 112.5. 115,000. 112.5 to get 115, 115. 117.5, 120, 117.5 to get 120, and 117.5 to get 20, and 117.5 to get $20,000, 120, 120, 120, 122.5, 125,000, at 125 to bill, at $125,000, at 122.5 to get $125,000, 122.5 to get 125,000, 122.5, 125,000, 125,000, at 125 to get 125 to bill, 5 to bill, 5 to buy, $125,000, 125,000. I got $122,500 from Spruce Grove, Alberta, Canada, guys. 125,000. 125,000. There we go. 127,500. 127,500. 130. At 130. At 130. 130. 135. 132,500. 135,000. At 135. And give me a minute. 135. At 135 to be 35 to be 135,000. 135,000. 132,500. 135,000. 132,500. 135,000. 135,000. I got $132,500. Alberta. 135,000. 135,000. 135,000. At 135 to bid. 135 to bid. 135,000 and a half. I tell you what we'll do before we go. My other friend in Canada, I'll let you in for 133,000 smooth if you want to do it. 133, 4, 104, 5, 135,000. At 135 to bid, then to get it. 135 to bid, 35 to bid, 35 to bid, 134 to get time, 5, 134, 5, 134 to bid, 135,000. You want to do it? 135,000. 134 to bid, 134, 135,000 and a half. Sold the tractor, 134,000. Sender north of the border, Spruce Grove, Alberta, Canada. Buyer number 298492. Thanks each and every one of you for your bids on that one.
Your next piece of equipment is on MachineryPete.com. Search equipment from dealerships across the country to find what you're looking for. Only on MachineryPete.com.